Hello, my boys. This is me, your father. To everybody else, I'm Cobra. Today, we're going to be talking about nature. You know, nature can thrive in any situation, including the city. Well, nature is so resilient, which, by the way, kids, my boys, I want y'all to respect nature and identify plants. Some plants are edible and medicinal, but are poisonous. So, when y'all are picking plants like dandelions or even poison ivy, y'all gotta be careful. Poison ivy is poisonous, but the only kind of poison it would do is make you itch. It will cause a rash because of what's in the poison ivy, the oil. Now, with plants like the dandelions, it's okay. The whole entire plant of the dandelion is actually edible. Some say you have to cook it, but I've ate it raw and nothing happened. All it did was all it gave me was a bitter taste. But it actually is a natural multivitamin. So, with the dandelion, eat all you want. Me, I usually just eat the leaves of the dandelion. 1 second, kids. I had to light my cigarette. When y'all are older, I'll show y'all how to make cigarettes. But some flowers do not even worry about picking. But y'all can pick them for when y'all get older and y'all might have a girlfriend or something. Y'all know what I mean. So, certain trees grow certain berries. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing. The blueberries are edible, blackberries are edible, red is 50-50. I don't know, Dwayne, if you're going to be colorblind or if you're going to be able to see color like me. Now, Tyler, I know that you're going to be able to see color. I know that you can. So, remember this. Chickweed is also edible, but I'm not sure which part of it is edible. Some other plants are edible and medicinal. I haven't found a plant that is medicinal, but I have found poisonous and edible plants. Now, but nature is magic. Everything is magic. The earth is magic. The air is magic. Fire is magic. Those are your 4 elements. Okay? But I will get y'all pinnacles, which is what I wear on my finger. Dwayne, you may see Daddy wearing his pinnacle on his finger. You too, Tyler. So y'all will know that. I will teach y'all different symbols. of witchcraft or whatever. Paganism, I should say. Remember one thing. I'm going to talk about spirit. Now, spirit is pretty much y'all's ancestors. Our ancestors, I should say. But always honor and respect your ancestors because they can give you knowledge. So, I'm going to say this. Honor and respect your ancestors. Respect ways of life. Okay? Now, y'all might be raised in the country soon. So, y'all gonna learn more about nature. We're gonna be resourceful and, what should I say, we're gonna be more self-reliant, which means we're gonna be relying on ourselves. But I'm gonna say this. We're also gonna be more resourcing on nature for food or whatever. Y'all will learn to hunt and fish because I'm going to teach y'all. I'm going to teach y'all about farming. I'm going to teach y'all everything what nature has to offer. To all my fellow pagans and doomsday preppers, have a good day and good night depending on y'all's time zone. Later, guys.